Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you where to find the best road in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to catch megalodons and krakens with ease, you need the best road in the game. And if you go to Joe's Roads shop in here and ask Joe where is the best road, he will answer hidden deep within the ancient jungle. So let's go to the ancient jungle first to find the best road. Let's spawn the boat first. And let's head into the ancient jungle. So here I've already in the ancient jungle. So for the best road you can find it inside the sacred temple. Okay, let's just go down, and in here once you're inside you can just go right, turn right in here, and you'll see this bamboo road that you can purchase for 12 million coins. So this is it is said that this one is the best road for now. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.